Hi, so in this video we are going to look at Paperwhite, Kindle Paperwhite 2022, 2022 version I suppose it is. Yeah. And let's open it up to see what is inside. Alright, so we have the charger, of course, the USB-C type, and they did not provide any adapter with it. I suppose they got inspired from Apple. So yeah, that's a story. And then we have the Kindle itself. I don't know why they put it like this, but let me try to get it out. Okay, so here you go, the Kindle. It is 8 GB version, and the main thing that it does have is that it includes a backlight. So basically you can read at night. Of course, if you have books, or if you like books or the fragrance of books, then of course you will not get from it. Of course, it's an electronic device, but the other thing is the feel or the look is exactly of the book. And plus it does not emit blue light, which which tablets or phone does. So basically you can use it to read at night. So let's see. Let's put next. Okay, my region is not listed here. I'm in Germany, so oh, it's like United Kingdom anyway. Let it set up itself, and I will pause the video and I will include when it will be done. So let me pause the video. Okay, so it is asking for either using the Kindle Paperwhite 11 generation. If you have the Kindle app on your phone, you can use the app for even faster setup. I would go for the app. So set up with your phone. So in this case, of course, I don't have apps, so I will download it and I will try to set it up, and we will be back. Alright, so basically if you look, you can easily read it. Basically you can easily read it under the sunlight also without any issue. But if you are using tablet or phone, then due to this glare of screen glare, you cannot easily read it. But with this, you can go to sunlight, you can easily read it. Swipe up easy. The response time is quite fast, as they mentioned for this version, actually Paperwhite, that the response time is much, or 20% to be specific, better than the old version. So basically, just to show you, I started using this French to English dictionary that was available. So you can of course have a look there. So basically you can control the brightness. So let me make brightness 0, so there is no brightness at all. Warmth, let me increase the warmth. So this warmth made this screen a bit yellowish, or say it's like a blue light filter in mobile screens or tablets or computers. So basically you can use airplane mode, you can use the dark mode, okay, which I do not like, dark mode. And then you have to sync button, and you can go to all settings where you can have the account, the wireless device option. So let's see, in the device option we have, let's see, the device info. So we have 8 GB, but there is only 5.94 GB free. That's enough actually for a lot of books. And then you can set a passcode. I didn't know that, so that's a good thing. Device time, restart, and everything else. So let's see in advanced option what we have. We have home and library. We have whisper sync for ebooks, no idea. Automatically use data from this device, provide features through white, okay, whatever. Power saver, low power sleep mode to conserve battery is enabled. By the way, this says that if you by the single charge, you can have around 10 weeks of battery life. That's really good, I would say. So that's why many people are switching because the Kindle life is very good. If you are using the old version, I saw few people, they are using the Kindle for around 10 years. They are satisfied with it, but just they try to use the Paperwhite because it has the backlight options, which other Kindles does not have. Kobo does have, but the Kobo is very expensive. I would say books, the other alternative is also very expensive. So this is very good. I would say cheap. It's around 140 euros in Europe, and without advertisement. If you get it with advertisement, I think with advertisement it is around 110 euros. This is, by the way, with advertisement. I don't feel much annoyed by that, so I think it's okay for that. And then we have language, parental control, accessibility. I want to see what's there. So voice, view, screen reader, and invert black and white. I think I would definitely want to use it to read few books to see. Battery, when I got it, I didn't charge. It was 57%, 58%. Now just while using for a few minutes, it got 57. I hope it's not the case after charging full. So basically, I'm not used to it. First time I'm using the Kindle. So let me try how I can go back to. Okay, I need to figure it out because I never used the Kindle. Alright, so I think it's a good try. It's 6.8 inch, 8 GB version. You have 16 GB version also. It's pretty nice. The material, of course, plastic, but it does not look like a cheap plastic. Screen size is very good, and then you have the lock button here. So if you use the lock button, you can see here their advertisement because it is with the advertisement. So it's giving something in Italian, I would say, as I have a very basic knowledge of Italian. So, and then when you unlock it, then you have swipe to unlock, you swipe, and then you have the book where you left it. So basically I would definitely go for it. I will try to use it for at least a month to see, to read some book, to see how it goes. I want to transfer my book to from PDF version to here to Kindle to see how it goes. Of course, it does not work well with the colored images or something, but that's not the purpose of having this Kindle. Of course, the other reason is that you don't need to go, or don't need to order a book and then wait for it to arrive. So with this, you can just download it from any library which is giving for free, or the cheaper ebook version anyway, because PDFs are cheaper than the paper print or the hardcover. So I would, yeah, so that's all. I think I tried to introduce, or I tried to explain whatever I could. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comments. Comment section is always on. And see you in the next video. So thank you. Do not forget to share, like, and subscribe the channel.